Model, 2008 Ford Transit 2.4 Tdci 100 T330s rear-wheel drive. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 119010. Engine, 2401 cc Tdci 100 PS DURATORQ-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. This will need the vacuum pump replacing as a brake pedal is stiff. This also affects the vacuum for the turbo boost pressure L, so slightly under the powered, straightforward simple bolt-on repair. Definitely worth doing this is a rare short wheelbase rear-wheel drive powerful transit grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in below average condition but still usable. Features, wind-up windows, tow bar, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.